State President ka BJP Urikman G. Momin ulaong baka parti kalapha sa Delhi ya kisan taligi kerteng jong kibakwa banyang iakhun ha kani ka election Lok Sabha na Shillong bat henriu ngut na Tura parliamentary constituency. Ulaong ru ba unong yalam ka BJP ubadai ru menteri ka Sarkar Jilla uba AL Heng uday uway na pdeng kisan ngut kibapan tiket banyakhun ya kani ka election na Shillong parliamentary seat. Habapun pau ya kani Syllad pathai kubor haga khatsan tarik menta ubnai Urikman ulaong ngaladap ban pha ya ki kerteng jong kini ki kertong syakinong yalam bahalor sa Delhi. Ulaong ru banalor uba AL Heng kiway pat kibapan tiket kikentup ya ka Dr. Fenala Lingdo Nonglan u President barim ka BJP ba Ernest Mauri u President ka BJYM Mewa Ker Lingdo bat ka kong Sumitra lalu. Kadbana ka benta ka Tura seat kibapan tiket kikentup ya u MDC ka Tura u Bernard and Marang ki MLA barim u Winnerson di Sangma bat u KC Boro ki MDC barim u Boston Marang Ria Sangma bat u Thomas Marang. Habakali u Momin ulaong ngimpat la bantip lanu kin penbena ya ka kerteng jong ki kertong hendrai kan sami ru shen sa ki kerteng ha ka thup ka balai. Nalor kata uni unong yalam kaseng ulaong ru baka party BJP kalapan krek bahana ka benta banyakhun ha kani ka election ka banwan bat ba kalayat syat ha ka bayade baki jingyalam election syakeleng ki jaka. Shu umumin ulaong ru baka mat ka bayade baka Citizenship Amendment Act kan kta satya ya kani ka party ha kani ka election Lok Sabha ha kani ka Jilla.
We are also waiting like you only. We don't know because the third list will be coming soon. We have already sent all the candidates' names to our Central Parliamentary Board.
How many, sir? How many names?
Names I will not say, but 5 from Tura parliamentary seat and 6 from Shillong, first Shillong constituency.
From Shillong constituency, is the name of Bahek also included?
Yes, and it's all central subject only. Because whatever we have to send it, we have already sent it. Maybe in the third list, it will be coming out shortly. We are ready to fight the election. We have already started our campaigning, the party works, even that workers' convention. Everywhere we are doing our party activities.
Do you think that the issues like CA all will play a negative role here, especially in Meghalaya?
No, it will not affect.